In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Slack on desktop, web, and mobile. Signing out of Slack is quick and helps keep your account secure, especially on shared devices. I'll walk you through the exact menu to use on both desktop and mobile and share a few tips so you know what to expect once you're signed out. Let's start with the desktop and web experience since they work the same way. Open Slack on your computer, whether that's the desktop app or a browser tab. Look to the bottom left corner of the window. You should see your profile picture. In some layouts, you might see your workspace name instead. Click that area to open a menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Sign Out, or it may say I'm out of workspace. Click that. If Slack asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm. That's it. You're signed out of that workspace. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, remember that signing out affects only the workspace you just selected. You can repeat the same action for any other workspace you want to leave. Now, let's cover the mobile app. Open Slack on your phone or tablet. At the top of the screen, you'll see your profile picture or your workspace name. Tap that to open the account or workspace menu. From there, look for the option that says Sign Out or Sign Out of Workspace and tap it. If you're prompted to confirm, confirm the sign out. Just like on desktop, this signs you out of the current workspace only, so repeat the process if you want to sign out of others. A few quick tips to make this smoother. The wording of the menu item may vary slightly, but it will always clearly say, sign out or sign out of workspace. If you don't see it right away, scroll to the bottom of the menu. On desktop, if your profile picture isn't visible, the workspace name in the bottom left opens the same menu. Make sure you're choosing sign out, not leave workspace or deactivate account. Those are different actions, and don't worry. Signing out doesn't delete messages or files. It simply ends your current session and stops notifications on that device until you sign in again. That's all you need to log out of Slack on any device. Click or tap your profile or workspace name, choose sign out, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.